Welcome once again to Thunderhead Productions. This will be an unboxing review of the Revell Tom Mongoose McEwen Rail Dragster 1/24 scale. This is a reissue with a few extra parts. It looks like they've updated it with a few extra items. Welcome, I'm back. As you can tell, I'm still on the road. I did purchase this yesterday along with the other kit that I reviewed earlier at full price from Hal's Hobby Shop, and let me tell you, that is some hobby shop. He's got everything in there, and his prices aren't the best that I've seen out there, but both those kits, or this kit here, I purchased it because I wanted it then and now. When you order on the internet, of course, it takes time for stuff to show up. You have to pay for shipping and handling, and even then, the kit may arrive and it might be damaged and all that. And I know the kit was in great shape when I picked it up at Hal's. So please support your local hobby shops. I do. That's why I purchased them from Hal, because I want to support them and make sure to keep the hobby running strong. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get started with a review of this model kit. Something I noticed in the kit was these items here, and I've never seen these before in the Dragster kits. So obviously this looks like an added items that's on here as far as fuel lines and items that are attached to the Dragster. So kind of hard to see. Sorry, this is a webcam video, but I do what I can do. Okay. And then of course the tires, rubber tires, the drag slicks that are included with the kit. Okay. And obviously you have to piece them together. They are rubber. You have to find some kind of I'm not sure what you'd actually glue this rubber with, so if anybody knows, go ahead and let me know on the down below when you apply comments to this video. And of course here's the small tires for the front of the Dragster. Okay, so they are nicely molded. Next is the clear piece. Somewhere. I'll find it here in a second. It was actually include the clear piece, which is the small windshield, was actually in with the regular sprues. Okay, but it's relatively clear. For its size, that's all you're going to get. Perhaps you can dip it in some future to clear it up even more, and I would recommend that. I'd recommend dipping all your clear parts in future, let them dry overnight, and then if you do accidentally get paint on them, you can just simply take a little bit of enamel thinner and take the paint off, and it won't harm it because you have that future right on top of the canopy or on your clear piece. Next which was wrapped separately, are the chrome sprues. The chrome sprue comprises of rear differential, engine parts, valve covers, blower, wheels, and some of the suspension parts. It is chrome, so if you're looking at maybe doling it down some, then in this case you'd want to go ahead and take a clear lacquer, a flat lacquer, or a semi-gloss clear, and overcoat this chrome. It is very nice. I don't see any issues with it. Maybe a few sink marks on the blower itself here. There's a few sink marks there, so if you're not really happy with this, you may want to strip the chrome off and then go ahead and do gloss paint and some alclad chrome finish on that. Next, which included in another bag, was all the white sprues. Was found in just one bag in the box. And here's the frame. Here's the rail itself. Together in one piece. They do have some plastic sprues here that can be taken off carefully. It is nice. Don't see any issues with it. It looks like it was originally, the kit came out originally, I can't quite read the date, 1978. So, you know, this kit's been around a long time. I think what we see new now is the pit crew member standing on the side covering his ears. That's I believe that is new, included with the kit, along with a Christmas tree that you can build up, and you know, for your diorama, do up a Christmas tree. But basically, you know, here's your body pieces, what they look like. Top part, yeah, there we go, a little bit there too, and there also. Let's see what it says on the back here. 1978 is when this originally came out. It's still very crisp though. I don't see any flash. I don't see any issues with the mold. So it's actually you know, in great shape for how old this kit is. And let me tell you, it's great to see this kit reissued. For years, I never bought it originally, and for years I've always wanted these kits. And now here's the last clear sprue, which includes the Christmas tree. You can see it on top, a driver that's sitting inside the car, and some more engine components, engine block, and so forth. And piece of the wing did come off. It wasn't wasn't in this on the sprues, so that wasn't still attached, but no big deal there. For the most part, everything looks good here. I don't see any sink marks or anything like that. So there you have it. And lastly, in the bottom of the box was included a Scale Auto, you know, order that magazine. I do. I get it. I enjoy it very much. So highly recommend you try this out if you've never tried it out. And the instructions. Okay. Instructions, and located inside the instructions were the decals. So here's your decals. Very nice graphics. I don't see any issues with these. I don't know how they'll lay down until I go ahead and build it. Then I'll do a review to let you know how these decals lay down on the kit. And the instructions are 13 pages. Very nice graphics on the back telling you where to put all the decals, painting instructions, call outs for the colors. Wow. Whole listing of all the parts are located in this, and they do give you all the painting guide gives you all the call out colors, basically just giving you the name of the colors. It's not actually telling you the number, you know, of the paint that it might apply to for Pactra and all that, but it does give you you know, different call outs for the paint. But anyway, that's pretty much the unboxing. It is a nice kit. I highly recommend. I think they did come out with a number of Dragster kits, including funny cars, which I got all the funny cars too. I can do a review of those if you like. If you want me to review any of the funny car kits that Revell came out with, I can do that when I get back home. But anyways, thank you for watching. As I did before, I will go ahead and show steel shots of the sprues to show you what's inside the kit following this video. So please let me know how you like these unboxings. If they're a waste of time, I won't do them anymore. But thank you very much for watching my channel, and I support everybody out there that's doing the same thing in the hobby. I'll do some shout outs a little bit later with the guys I do watch. That cranky guy, I can't remember quite, but you know, I really like your videos. They really crack me up, some of those things, you know. So I'm gonna have to meet you one day, but I like your cranky stuff. Anyway, take care and happy modeling, everybody.